I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a printer. First, let's get your printer ready. Carefully remove it from its packaging, making sure to take off all protective tapes and foam inserts. Next, connect the power cable securely to both the printer and a wall outlet. Finally, install the necessary software and drivers on your computer, usually found on a disk or downloadable from the manufacturer's website, to ensure proper communication between your devices. Now let's prepare your printer for action. Open the paper tray, usually located at the front or bottom, and load a stack of fresh paper, often up to 100 sheets. Adjust the paper guides to snugly fit your paper size, like standard 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, carefully install the ink cartridges or toner, following the clear instructions provided by your printer's manufacturer. Close all covers firmly to ensure everything is in place. With paper and ink ready, it's time to print. Connect your printer to your computer, either using a USB cable or by setting up a wireless connection. Open the document you want to print, then navigate to the File menu and select Print, or simply use the keyboard shortcut, Control-P or Command-P. From the Print dialog box, choose your specific printer, adjust settings like the number of copies or page range, and then click Print to send your document. To keep your printer running smoothly, a little maintenance goes a long way. Regularly check your ink or toner levels and replace them promptly when they run low. If you notice streaks or faded prints, use your printer's utility software to clean the print heads or nozzles. Also, ensure your printer's firmware is updated for the best performance. For any specific error messages or issues, always consult your printer's user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.